This is Module 6, Lesson 1. It says number line K shows 12 units. Use number line K below to answer the questions. We'll plot a point at 1. Label it A. So this has 12 whole numbers. And the origin is over here, so it's increasing from right to left, which is kind of different. But we need to put a point at 1 and label it A. So let's see, this is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So it looks like they're going up by 2s. Let's count what's between 0 and 2. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. So that means that we're probably going by halves. Let's see. 1/2, 1, 1.5, 2. So these are counting by halves. So if this is a half, this would be 1. This would be 1.5. So let's go ahead and plot our point at 1 and label it A. Label a point that lies at 3.5 as B. So let's keep counting. 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5. And remember, we're going in from right to left. We'll call that B. Label a point of C whose distance from 0, which we know distance from 0 is its coordinate, so whose coordinate is 8 units farther than that of B. So we're at B, and we know we need to go 8 units farther away from 0, so this way. So B right now is at 3.5. So let's go from 3.5 to 4.5 to 5.5 to 6.5. Well, let's see, how many are we going? 8 units farther. So if we're at 3.5, we have to go 8 units farther. We're going to be at 11.5. So let's go over here to 10, 10.5, 11, 11.5, all the way over there. So, and we're going to call that C. And we need to write what the coordinate of C is. And we saw that was 11.5. Last one, plot point D, whose distance from 0, or its coordinate, is 6/2 less than that of B. So let's go to B, and we're going to go less, so that's back towards 0, and it's 6/2, and these are in halves, so let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's over here. And we'll put our D. And does it ask for it? Yep, so D would be 1/2.